If you're participating in any testnet campaign and looking for an easy way to deploy a smart contract, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy a smart contract on any EVM chain using thirdweb. I prefer this to other IDEs like Remix because thirdweb is more user-friendly and you're less likely to make a costly mistake where you end up spending mainnet funds instead of testnet funds when using thirdweb. So the first thing to do is to visit the link in the description. And here you will see the explore section of thirdweb. So this section contains several contracts that you can deploy on any EVM chain. You can also find the explore section by clicking on the resources drop-down menu and clicking explore contract. So once you visit this page, the next thing to do is to sign in. So click sign in, and now you can select your preferred wallet. For this, I'll be using Rabbit Wallet, so I click sign in, accept the signature request, and now you are logged in to thirdweb. The next thing to do is to choose any of these contracts. So I'll be choosing the NFT drop contract. So click deploy, and now you'll be required to provide a name and a symbol. So give it any name and give it any symbol. The next thing is to select the network you'll be deploying the contract on. So scroll to the bottom of the page. In the deploy options section, you will see the network drop-down menu. So here you can select the network of your choice. So click on the drop-down menu and switch to testnet start. So for this example, I'll be deploying a contract on Berachain. So I'll search for Berachain in the search bar. So this is Berachain Battery. If the testnet you want to deploy on isn't in the list of networks here, you can add it manually by providing the RPC details. To do that, click Add Custom Network and give it a name, provide the chain ID, set it to testnet, and provide the RPC URL. Once you're done, click Add Network, and the network will be imported to the network list, so you can choose it when deploying a smart contract. So I select Berachain Battery. So now my wallet is connected to Berachain Battery. Depending on the wallet you're using, you may see a prompt asking you to switch to the network. But on Rabbit Wallet, network switch automatically. So if I'm switching a network on the dApp, I don't need to accept any request. If you want the contract to be visible in your My Contract section of your thirdweb dashboard, click on this checkbox. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. So once you're happy, click Deploy Now. Approve the request in your wallet, and now the contract has been deployed. So you can view the contract by clicking View Contracts. So here you can see the details of the contract you just deployed. This is the contract address, which you can search for in your Blockchain Explorer to confirm that the contract has been deployed. You can also search your Blockchain Explorer with your wallet address to see your recent transactions. So I'll be heading over to the Berachain Battery Explorer to confirm that this contract has been deployed. So here I can search for my wallet address. I can also search it in the address of the contract I just deployed. To copy the address, click this copy icon, and I paste the contract address here. I click on it. So here you can see that this contract address was deployed 1 minute ago from this address, which is my wallet address. And you can see the transaction hash 282C. You can confirm the transaction hash here. So this is how to deploy contracts using thirdweb. I remember several people have asked me in the past if I know any reliable proxy service. As an airdrop farmer, one of the ways to have an edge is to farm with multiple accounts. Many people that farm with multiple accounts face the issue of being detected as CBIL and disqualified from their airdrops. But with the proxy service, you can stay anonymous. So today I'll be showing you a proxy service that is affordable and reliable. Proxies has been in the game since 2016. They offer high quality proxies with all the tools you need to stay anonymous and efficient. Think about it, residential, data center, and even mobile proxies from over 70 countries, all ready to go instantly after payment. And this is perfect for managing your multiple wallets or testing strategies across regions. This proxy will help you keep your account separate so platforms can't link your wallet or activity. You can get proxies for most of the countries that you require for your airdrop farming with a speed of up to 10 megabits per second. And that's more than enough for your transactions, your bot setups, or anything else you're cooking up. You also get HTTPS and SOC 5 protocol. And you can pay with crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. Their team is on call 247 and they respond fast. If you use my coupon code, which is Bunkie, BUNKIE, you get a 10% discount on your purchase. You'll find the link in the description. Proxys.io, PROXYS.io. Let me know in the comments if you need a tutorial for Remix IDE or for scripts that automate your contract deployment. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more crypto updates, airdrops, tips, and tutorials. Multiply launched its testnet not too long ago. So if you haven't joined, check out the link in the description and join the multiple testnet. Check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest airdrops today. To keep deploying your testnet smart contracts, check out proxies.io for reliable proxy servers for your airdrop farming. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.